Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just wanted to jump on here real quick and go over a quick tip I got for y'all. And it involves your generic bouillon. If you got some milk spotting, which some of these older Britannias are known for that, they'll get kind of hazy. And if you got generic bouillon, and it's not a coin, and you just don't like that haze or dullness, and you want to shine it up just a little bit, you could use polishes or different things on these. Of course, you don't want to rub the silver completely away. But say you was just wanting to make it look a little better, or maybe you're wanting to flip it and turn it over, and it's just kind of really ugly. And you're just selling it for weight, but you want to shine it up a little bit. A quick and easy method I found, believe it or not, I used one of these magic erasers, Mr. Clean. So I got the big ones. They do have wipes now, but I like them because they're white. You can see the dirt, but if you get a little water on here, you can clean this up. The abrasives in this are so fine and soft that they really don't show a lot of scratching. So these Britannias weren't too bad. Like this one's pretty shiny. This one was horrible, and I did clean it up some. So it's still got a little bit of haze on it. If I can get it to focus here. Nope. There it is. But you can see it's a little hazy still. But all in all, it looks way better than what it did. So it was in pretty rough shape, but I like it a lot better now. That's why I'm handling it. I really don't care about this. It's just generic. It was pretty rough, but like I said, I cleaned it up using the old Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I put a little water on there, cleaned it up, and then dried it off. So just a little easier method for generic bullion. Of course, you never clean your coins. But these rounds is a different story. If they're really ugly and you want a quick and easy try, if you got a Mr. Clean, hey, knock yourself out, try that. It worked for me, and by golly, I'm happier with it now. I wish I would have taken a picture before. I actually did this a while ago, but I thought make a quick, good little video. So you guys, that's all I wanted to share this evening. So keep stacking and peace out.